Hello, welcome to this short video on how to install and configure your AWS command line interface CLI. So we're gonna start with the download and Amazon and aws.amazon.com/CLI, and here in the right side you have the section to download your installer for Windows, Mac OS, Linux. I'm having Windows at this moment for this demo, so I'm gonna click here and wait for this to be download, and I can just open the installer and follow all the steps here in the setup wizard, like next, 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 and so you need to give it a couple of seconds while it's ready, then you can start installing. I already have this installed, so I don't really need to um, reinstall it, so I'm just gonna cancel at this moment. um, and then I'm going directly to my PowerShell. Here, you can basically check the AWS version. If you go like this, and then that will give you the version that you have currently running, so that's fine. And then we're gonna do AWS configure, and we need to provide some information like the access key ID, secret access key, default region name that you're gonna be using, and the default output format that you want to use. It could be YAML, it could be JSON. So these are configurations that are already existing in my system because I already have a user. But let's imagine you are doing this for the first time, so you don't know where to get this data, and basically these two. So for that, I'm gonna assume that you already have an AWS account. So we can go to the AWS management console and the services, and then you can search for IAM, and that will take you to this user management here, and we can create a demo. So I'm gonna be creating one user only for this demo, so it doesn't really matter if you get to know my secret keys, because I'll be just removing this um, after this video. If you want, it's okay to keep both things, and that's fine. I'm just gonna go next, and I don't need to give any permissions at this moment. I'll just give it next, and no tags, and that's it. So yeah, I want a demo user. Let's create this user. And so here you have access key ID and secret access key. This is the information I just copy here that you need to provide to the AWS configure. So when this asks for the access key, you just copy that one and paste it here, and then click and then enter. I'm not replacing what I have right now, so but you can do that. So I copy this one too, and when it asks me for the secret access key, I just paste it and then enter. Once again, I'm not replacing what I have. You can change the region if you want. If you prefer to use US East 1, that's fine. And here, if you prefer to use JSON, you just type JSON and enter, or YAML, whatever is fine, and then you're done. So once you have that set up, you'll be able to start working with the AWS CLI using your credentials. And we will be doing this and using this in the following videos. So see you in the next videos.